Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Are we live? I feel live. Looks live. Feels live. How are we all doing tonight? Ready to go digging around in the depths of the Banadoko server and see what kind of mischief we can get up to? All right. Let's just get right into it, eh? Where's Banadoko? Discord. Head over to Banadoko. And so, I don't know if you're on Banadoko, but you should get on there because it's pretty dope. Yeah, basically, the whole Animate Diff Evolved, ComfyUI community is pretty much just chilling on the server and doing lots of crazy stuff. So, yeah, we're going to try out some of the new workflows. So, this is where I get a lot of my ideas, a lot of my concepts from. Yeah, Banadoko. Copy. Here's a link to the Discord if you're not on there already. It's pretty sick. All right. Um, yeah. So there's like a whole bunch of different workflows here for all the different things you can do with Animate Diff and ComfyUI. But the first one I really wanted to look at specifically was this Magnific one, where we're taking yeah, basically that upscaling system, you know. So yeah, we'll try that. Well, looks like a lot of stuff has happened since they posted it. Okay, let's find the latest version. I think it's this one. Download the workflow. Open it up in here. Load, downloads. Victorverse Magnific. So I'm missing some nodes. No big deal. So we go to Manager and install custom nodes. I guess it's being updated right now. What does that mean? Seems to be taking too long, no? We actually want to install missing custom nodes. The custom node database is currently being updated. Is it possible that I closed ComfyUI and I'm trying to run it without the backend? Yep. So yeah, start ComfyUI before you try to use it, and it works better. Who'd have thunk it, eh? It's pretty amazing how much it works without being connected to itself. All right, let's restart Comfy. Hey, Frank. My Discord is violet because I have nitro. You can change your, what do you call it? With the stuff. I won't actually load this. Oh, something else is still broken. Clear. Load. Interesting. Load. Victorverse. There we go. Okay. Holy cow. All right. Okay. All right. So I guess we just load an image. Let's try an image. Let's try Mario from Mario 64. Let's just upscale like okay. Let's see if what models and stuff I'm missing. So it looks like it's using Juggernaut. I have Juggernaut, so let's do that. I think that's Playground. Do I have a refiner? I don't. Let me copy my refiner over. Thing. Control net. Nope. Models. SDXL refiner. There it is. Refiner. AI comfy. Models. Checkpoints. Okay, what else are we? Boop, boop, boop. I have realistic vision, so let's load that up. All right. I'll get the refiner going in a sec. T2i adapter diffusers, XL depth Zoe. Might have to download. Line art, open pose, canny. I want Zoe. There it is. This. I have no idea if it's FP16 or not. Probably is. Let's move that to our control net folder. Checkpoints. Nope. Control net. All right, cool. So put our T2i adapter depth Zoe in there. Refresh. There it is. And I think that's everything. Oh, what's in here? B-Box, YOLO. Okay, got that one. Feels good. Should we try it? Yeah, let's try it. Let's see what happens. See what I missed. Guess we got to download Blip for the first run. I wonder if that Transformers 4.261 error is going to be a problem or not. Let's. All right, let's find out why. So WAS node suite is freaking out. We did see the error in here about not having transformers, so that's unfortunate. Let's try some stupid Python stuff. We have our is it Python embedded? I know, right? You download so much stuff for AI. Is there a pip in here? So let's pip. Are you gonna work? No, of course. D A. This I had this problem. Very quite annoying. Okay, let's try. So what did it say I need to do? Go to the ComfyUI custom nodes WAS node suite pip install -r requirements text, right? Guess we're installing a bunch of stuff. I'm sure this is into the wrong Python environment too. Let's see if anyone's having troubles here. Oh, there's an install.bat. Oh, yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to break everything if I let this continue. Or I'll just break it. Okay, hopefully that's what I need. Okay, all right. Let's try that again then. Okay. So there's an install.bat in the WAS node suite that I missed. And I think that's what installed blip into the right place where it's supposed to be. If we go back to our comfy thing and run it again, maybe blip's able to run. That would be ideal. Oh, hey! Mario is running in front of a sign that says Mario is coming. No, he's not. Okay, blip. Oh, just coffee. So far, not looking. Is it done? What are you mad at? Oh. Oh, playground. I think I did this wrong. So where do the final results go? Oh, these are the. Oh, okay, these are supposed to be the results. They just look like shit because I used the wrong thing. Yeah, I used the wrong checkpoints. Yeah, this is looking more bad but good. That's crazy. It looks like a Switch upgrade or update to Mario 64. That's crazy. All right, well that's basically what do you call it? Magic fake thing. All right. What about what's another N64 game that looks like crap? Well, by today's standards. Oh yeah, let's try Mario Kart 64. Let's upscale that. Yes. Upscaled. That'll work. My desktop's getting fuller and fuller. Hopefully we can fill it up someday. Mario Kart in Mario Kart Kart. Hey Tony. Not so great. Not so great on this one. All right, let's try PS2 graphics. Trying to think of oh yeah, we could try CJ from Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, right there. I like that you don't have to prompt it. The face of a man in a white tank top with palm trees in the background. Fair enough. That's awful. So one other thing this is hilarious, by the way. Looks just like him, eh? Okay, I think what we should do is for this, I want to do an image concatenate, right? And I want to take a knit image, right, with the this result, and then one more image concatenate, right, with this result, and then spit that out to save image, and that'll be in Magnific. Yeah. So then if I no, I want PS2. Yeah. So what this should do is make a grid of the three versions, which would be easier to look at. It changed Raiden into a pretty lady. I guess Raiden was always a bit of a pretty lady. That's great. Yes, it is. Wide kind of sucks. Maybe top. Shadow of the Colossus. You imagine when we're just playing old school games, but they're running through these AI upscalers in real time, and it just looks like totally insane. Whoa! I kind of want AI upscaled Shadow of the Colossus now. Right. I think they have to go right. Let's go right. Another thing I want to do is I kind of want to pop the text on top of them so we know which one is which. We can concatenate again text. So text mask. The first text mask will be let's image concatenate. The width comes from. Could have sworn there was a way to get image width. I have to think of it that. I guess it only has to be as long as 512. This will be original. Boop, boop, and this into here. Yeah. So how do I get the width from an image? Must be a way. I can get image count. Upscale to total pixels, 1 megapixel. What the hell does that mean? Okay, I guess I can't put text on it. That's fine. Let's go here and all right. So image one, image two, image one, image two. Yeah, I just have to get the width from the image, but oops, what did I break? You go here. You go here. And you go here. No. 887. Oh, I guess I have to. Well, can I maybe resize? Can I resize by scale? Resize by factor? No. Resize. Image resize? Yeah, no. I guess it would have to like crop them too. I don't know why they're different sizes though. I just have my images side by side, please. All right. 887 but got size 880. So it clearly needs to be like the exact size. Very dumb. This is getting resized. That's why. I wonder where it's getting. All right, let's try. It's another fuzzy PS2 game. Best PS2 game. Ooh, Katamari. For a good screenshot to upscale. A room with a bunch of trash on the floor and a man standing in the middle of the room. All right, I guess. Ugh. Never mind. I don't want to play the AI remake of Katamari Damacy. It looks really depressing. Well, I mean, I guess I could leave the concatenate stuff. Yeah, I could leave it in, and then when it works, I guess. Wait, JW image? So let's go right. Of course, doesn't fit. All right, whatever. Let's try the next. Let's try PS1 games. I want the original, but high res. A cartoon character and a cartoon character in front of an image of a cartoon character. All right, fair enough. Mad Max. The input image was too small, I think. Oh, what's about Twisted Metal PS1? Yeah. I gotta get it over there. Oh, there. Yeah, we're gonna try Twisted Metal. See what we get. A car driving down the road with a fire in the middle of the road and a sign that says "Bah!" We should go all the way back to Nintendo Ghosts and Goblins. Wow. Damn, I wish I could think of a way to resize it. It's scale to total pixels, but there's no. What if I scale all these to 1 megapixel? Ooh, would that work? Probably not, right? Ghosts and Goblies. We'll make our own grid. An old video game with a man in the middle and a woman in the middle. Don't love those upscaled NES graphics. Yes. Yeah, I am. 3090, but yeah. Would you play AI Doom? I think I would play AI Doom. Let's try Duke Nukem 3D. This is really fun. I just upscaling old video game screenshots is like super entertaining. Yeah, I mean, yeah, local is usually better if you can, but you know, if you don't got the GPU, run diffusion is really, really, really good way to do it. 69, bro. How did it go from 30 to 69? What's up with that? Scaler is based. Man, I want to keep on this rise of the triad. Come on, baby. Yeah, my last GPU is 8 gigs. It feels like you got your foot in the door, but you're not quite in. Still lots of stuff you can do with 8, though. It's just this new animate diff with multi-control net layers and all that. Get more and more silly. Yeah. Yeah, because once you go over the VRAM, then you're water wheeling into your system RAM. A video game with an image of a mountain in the background and a balloon in the air. Yeah, basically. It might actually be fun to upscale like a batch of images, like some gameplay footage. I have to dig into that one later. I bet you AVIF files don't work. Oh, they do. Holy shoot, that's crazy. No, yeah. Say it's like the hell's an AVIF file? Do 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 do. Yeah, it probably does. We should probably try some actually. Although I find this endlessly interesting. Boop, boop, boom, do, 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 do. Great. I'm gonna have the bubble bobble music in my head. Bum, bum, bow, 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 bow. Yeah, let's try pixels. Photos. Selfie. What happens with an already? Can we upscale it into actual oblivion? A young man sitting on the ground in front of a graffiti wall wearing sunglasses and a denim jacket. Man, that's weird. Weird. Where's that PS4? Whoa. Wow. Whoa. That's trippy. Yeah, SVD's great. Yeah, we did some SVD last night. I saw a workflow on here earlier that was SVD, then passing it through Animate Diff. Kind of interested in trying that workflow too. That is pretty crazy. This coffee's not doing its trick. Crazy. Ooh, what about Fallout 3? Yeah, this workflow uses like face detailer and some other stuff I've never played with before, so I'm just kind of using it at its default settings, but really blown away with the results. It's insane looking. But yeah, you can grab the workflow right on Banadoko and start tinkering if you want to try out Tile and Candy and see what happens. Yeah, this uses XL and SD15. Whoa. Now that's a Fallout game I would play. Damn. That's awesome. Just want the original. He has nothing to say, but he's sorry. Oh, Chip's challenge. Nice. Well, let's see if you can de-blur this dog photo. Oh, God. Leave it blurry. Jesus. Oh, my God. I bet if you ran that, like, stuff like this through the pixel art SDXL LoRa before you refined it and stuff, it would look way better. Actually, maybe not. You'd probably need a one on the final. These are the settings for the first pass in the refiner. And then the final pass is this. A pixel. It looks the same. I was hoping it would make it into an actual watermelon. Who's that guy? It's not Pierce Brosnan, that's for sure. Oh yeah, that'd be a good one. Wow, wow. He's got a puzzled look on his face, like, why are you shooting at me? That's crazy looking. I don't think I want to play AI World of Warcraft, thanks. Oh yeah. A basketball game with a player in the middle and a player on the right side, I guess. Whoa, aside from the weird angles, it's kind of photo-y. So this one doesn't do the face pass, and then this one does a face pass. So it goes through 1.5 and uses face detailer to try to fix the faces in this run. So yeah, the detail quality might be better in this one, but this one will fix the faces. That's crazy looking. Yeah, he uses blip to describe the image. Mm, 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 mm. This is cool. Okay. Tiger Woods Golf PS3. Does it know it's Tiger Woods? It does. It knows it's Tiger Woods. It's pretty iconic, I guess. Yee. Not not bad. Not bad, I guess. Some of these don't look so bad. Jeez, stupid AVIF files. California games, bro. I loved California games. Loved California games. Sure, cool. Mm. And world games. Looking for some upsized screenshots because they tend to look better. Oh, winter games, man. We're hitting some serious nostalgia bones here. Come on, who's got them upscaled screenshots? There we go. Oh, that looks cool. Just a little dude there. I like that. All right. We had MX. Oh, this is great. Well, it did make a couple of them. Let's see which ones it did make. Get some grids. Okay. So what about trying to think we did Mario 64. What about like the NES Super Mario Brothers? Got a watermark? We don't like watermarks. Ugly. Need a high res one. Give me something high res. Might not matter with pixels actually. Quite sure how that works. There we go. That'll work. Oh, Connect, nice. I saw a guy on Reddit. I think he had a Connect set up on a. Oh, I didn't realize my thing was off. He had his Connect set up to a pinball machine, like a virtual pinball machine, and it used head tracking to like makes it so that it's 3D to the person who's playing. It's really cool. Looks insane in real life. Well, even in the video, it looks insane. But like if you stand over it, it has depth because it knows where your head is. Yeah, for real. See, it doesn't love pixels. It doesn't love. Yeah, let's try Dreamcast. Jet Set Radio. That's a good one. It's hard to get clean screenshots from that era. Obviously. Real life Jet Grind Radio looks depressing as hell. Making AI beats. The game's main characters, including person, and person. It is creepy looking. Oh my god. What a trip. This is awesome. Whoa. Man, photorealistic AI games would be insane. Breathe so much weird life into the old games. Obviously, it'd be nice to be able to turn it on and off. Sonic the Hedge from Sonic the Hedge from Sonic the Hedge from Sonic the Hedge from Sonic the. It's so trippy. Guess there's never really any point in saving the middle one into the grid. They might look better on, well, whatever. I could always just smash them together after. It's so crazy. DOA. Used to love that game. Oh yeah. Uh Soul Calibur. That's DOA. Soul Calibur. Small. Space Channel 5 was a nightmare. Fever dream. Cool game. Yeah, let's try that. Hey, Hobo Hippie, what's up? We're playing with the uh fake Magnific Magnific. It's basically this ComfyUI version of this. Not as good, but it's interesting. We've just been upscaling old video game images. I wonder about it's probably gonna be eating a sandwich or something. Does it know its link? Oh, link. Oh, sick. Ugh, that's too realistic. I hate that. Looks like an actual kid. Link's better as a cartoon character. Um. Oh yeah, what about like Chrono Trigger or Final Fantasy? I saw somebody do Ryu from Street Fighter. It looked insane. Was it this picture? That might be the one to try. See if we can make Ryu real. That's the one to try. Oh, weird. The grass is so realistic. A man with a fist in one hand and a fist in the other hand in the other. Right. Yeah. Well, that's crazy. Oh yeah, Samus. Trying to find like a squarish one of the whole suit. Yeah, it'll work. A cartoon character with a gun in one hand and a helmet on the other hand. Not quite. Well, that's just trippy. Glitch droid. The white back or the transparent background might be causing the problems. Yeah. just got just got rid of his eye. Well, that's terrible. Poor Mario. Oh yeah, that'd be interesting. I'm gonna try not to get sued by Disney here. What a nightmare. This is kind of better with more recent games. What about like Hades? Kratos. Just looking for a good screenshot. Trying to hide having trouble. Maybe this is the one. That looks like Hades too. Yeah, I know. Oh wow. It turned into like a beautiful garden. Whoa. It's kind of cool. Render. Yeah, it kind of sucks the pixelated stuff. I think you could fix it with Laura's though. Yeah, awful. All right, let's. This is cool. I'm gonna save this. Upscaler workflow. Clear it. Let's get back over to Banadoko. What else we got? SVD plus upscaling plus face restoration with animate diff. YOLO? Wonder how long this takes to run. Should we try it? Let's do it. What do we do when this happens? Install missing custom nodes and slap them in. To use this node, you must download the face restoration model and face detection model from install models menu. All right, let's do that. Face detection models. All these, I guess. Great. Face restoration. So many. I guess we'll just do them all. All these really? One model for each type of face? What the hell does that mean? Fuck it. I'm just gonna do them all. I don't know what I'm doing. What's broken now? Well, maybe face restore won't work anyway. Think it works? What else am I missing? Okay, I got this. Out of 8. And then what else? I don't know what this is. Oh, I gotta download the clip. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Checkpoint with noise select. I'm just gonna is magic mix. I'm gonna see if this is NSFW magic mix. Civitai. You never know. Magic mix realistic. All right. Download that model. Downloading that. Download it. 20 seconds. What else? Temporal diff. We got that. Face YOLO. Sure. I even got that. What is this, Laura? Face Laura? I don't have any face Lauras. Face Laura. Face helper Laura? Face helper. It's STXL. Need one that's SD 1.5, I think. I don't know. Maybe we just say no face? Yeah, all these are kind of creepy. Let's go with no strength on this. And I'll just slow to Laura. Use my face. Hell yeah. Oh, I've just endless uses for this Purz face, Laura. I swear to God. So I gotta get that clip. Where's that clip? Where's that clip? In a Doko? Clip, 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 clip. There you are. Okay, and this is called this. Oh, really? I didn't hear that. Clip, 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 clip. All right. It's got the whole file. I can do this and put you in AI comfy models clip. This and this. Well, first off, refresh. Oh yeah, we got that too. Loads. I can go into models, checkpoints. Okay. Let's select magic mix. The SVD is fine. Temporal diff. Yep. Okay, that's fine. Where's my clip? Clippy. Ah, there you are. Nice. I think that's good. Is it on the sentence? Do I have to load an image? I have no idea what I'm doing. Dog meme. I think that did it. Oh, that's interesting. I'm gonna grab a drink. I'll be right back. Well, this renders. Looks like it's working. Error occurred when executing SMD text clip text encode. All right, what did I break? Oh, where'd you crash, bud? Bypass this for close-ups. Hello. There's nothing plugged into the VAE. Is that why it's mad? Or does that mean everything nodes is plugged in there? Yeah, I don't know what's going on either. That's what we do here. We were just playing with like a copy update version of ComfyUI version of that new Magnific update upscaler thing. But now I'm trying this workflow, SVD upscaling with face restoration. But it is broken. And I'm pretty sure I missed something. So it's mad about this. The clip goes from load checkpoint. Feeling real dumb. Do you think? I wonder if it's my Laura. I forgot that I even had that. Trying to get it to make Mr. Bean dance, but I mean, we got this far, which is, definitely something. It's not nothing, but all the stuff I wanted to do is broken. This isn't even plugged into anything. Wonder if it's a conflict. Does it have to be STXL? Probably not. Let's try. Nah, you mad, bro. Tuple index at a range. But why? Oh, screw it. Let's just do some SVD. It's too much fun. So let's drop an SV stable video diffusion instance from the ground up. This is more fun. Okay, so add a VAE encoder on the end of your K sampler. Actually, we don't use the K sampler. Yes, we do. Yep. My brain's darn. Oh yeah, we do. Just keep that low, and we use the guidance thing. Right. All right. Drop a K sampler in. This is the heart of our diffusion process. Throw a VAE decoder on the end. So we need to turn it from latent to images. VAE and the model all come from, in this case, a slightly different loader. It's the what's the SVD loader called again? Simple something? Image is a loader, but it's got like this long weird name. Yeah, image only checkpoint loader. You need this one for SVD. I knew it would come to me if I just thought hard enough. VAE. Clip vision. We're gonna need that for what is the SVD? No, there it is. Screw you. Oh, actually, no, we need you still. Clip vision goes in here. VAE goes in here. Positive, negative, latent. All right. Okay. Sorry, I'm remembering this as I'm explaining it. That's the best way to teach stuff. Okay, so we've loaded our thingamajig. We need to use CFG guidance with the SVD models. That's a new thing we have to do. So we need to look for a guide. Yeah, video linear CFG guidance. Yeah. Model through there. Bloop, bloop. And then into the K sampler. Okay. So this is the signal path. Let me stretch it all out so you can see. So we go there. We go here. We go here. And then this goes here. So let's have a look at this. Hopefully this makes a little bit of sense. We load our checkpoint. We need to do CFG guidance to make sure it fits into our classifier free guidance scale. Basically, the SVD motion models are like they're different than the other models, and they require like a really low CFG. But the reason we use minimum CFG because if you go below 1 and your prompt has words in it like NSFW and nude in the negative prompt, once you go below 1, you're going to start getting negative prompt coming through into your positive prompt, which like tends to like sort of overlay pornography in a like a dark silhouette. It's really quite beautiful, but probably not what any of us intended to do. And the only custom node I'm using here is the video combine node. And we're just using that to save the videos that it spits out. So we'll do a 12 frame per second video. Yep, make it MP4. We'll call it SVD, 12 FPS SVD. Control C, Control V, pop another one, make that 24 frames per second. So we get a sort of two masters. And I like to add a. Oh, I lied. There's one more node suite we're using here. Is there no search anymore? Weird. Film VFI. That's in the ComfyUI frame interpolation node set. This is going to give us film interpolation, so we get slow motion, prettier videos. All right, cool. Okay, so the only other thing we need now is an init image. Where's Mr. Bean? All right, 1024 by 576 is fine. We're using the XVD XT model, so we're going to actually use 25 frames. We're going to slow that motion bucket down to about 30. I'll explain this stuff while it runs. So let's get it running, and while it's going, I'll explain it. All these people see in stereo. All right, so we loaded the checkpoint. We loaded the image. We've tossed it through our CFG guidance to make sure it stays above 1. We've got our SVD conditioning, which is how we control the SVD model. I'm actually going to make that green. K-sampler is purple. This is the diffusion step. And after we're done diffusing, we need to convert it into images, because when it's in here, it's like in machine mind, and then these previews are actually being converted one by one as the thing goes through. But if you were to try to look at what's in here, it would just look like noise, because it's not human readable data that's happening in here. That's what this node's for, the VAE decoder. Turns it from a latent image to a human readable RGB image. After this latent decoder, or after this VAE decoding step, that's when we combine the frames into videos. So we got a 12 frame per second video, 12 frame per second videos, 24 frame per second video, and a 24 frame per second 2 times slowed down interpolated version of the. You'll see what it means. So it'll be, this one will be 12 frames per second, this one will be 24, it'll be too fast, and this one will be this speed but with 24 frame per second interpolation. So you kind of get to pick your poison here. Beautiful. He's not moving, but the background is, so you know that's interesting. Let's maybe we can get him moving if we increase the motion bucket ID. Minute and a half isn't bad for 1 second of animation, right? It seems perfectly reasonable. Yeah, still just moving the background. Motion looks amazing, though. I just wish he was beaning a bit. He's not beaning at all. Oh, this keeps getting moved. Sorry about that. I saw they also added Magic Animate right into ComfyUI now, so that's crazy. Maybe we'll stream about that on Saturday. Tomorrow night, I'm streaming with Tenzia. We're going to do some stuff. We're going to figure it out in the afternoon. Probably audio related, but I'm not sure. Never know with him. But yeah, we'll be here making weird stuff. It'll be a weird one, so bring your weird pants, because yeah, it'll be a weird one. He likes to make weird stuff, and so do I, so we'll probably end up making really weird stuff. Is he throwing gang signs? Beautiful. It's beautiful. This is ridiculously great. I like the 24 frame per second one, too. Pretty cool. What else we got? Avif, my enemy. Yeah, as always, if you guys want to listen along to what I'm listening to, you can just look me up on Discord, on the Discord there, and click listen along. I usually listen to some abrasive ass dubstep, but you know, you listen to what you want to listen to, man. It's all good. Oops. There we go. Oh, yeah. Full bean. One of these days, I'm going to speed run the SVD thing properly, and then when I do, I'll make it a Twitter post. Got pretty close that time. I just, forgot how the entire thing worked. But it is a really pretty simple node tree to get this SVD workflow going. So like if you just want to play like this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nodes technically, maybe 8 if you add film. And then instead of using an init image, you can dream one, right? So if you just add this, but like with like an SDXL workflow in the front of it, then you can dream up your images before you send them through SVDs. So lots of ways to use this. That's good stuff. That's good bean. Oh, what a nightmare. So we were trying like what about like what about like PS3 graphics? Like will it let's try like PS3 GTA 5 GTA 5 on PS3 or maybe like 4? Yeah, like I'm curious. Oh, things on top chat, not live chat. I hope I didn't miss anything. I hate that. I wish the default was live chat, not top chat. I don't want to miss any chat. No chat. I feel like it's going to make an actual person. I think there's one here. There's one here that does one here that oh, is this it? Yes. There's this one here for pulling characters out of matting. We can mess with this one too. I've been meaning to look this up. That's super handy. Even for doing QR code control net right here. Yeah, it can actually. Yeah, it can. Okay, well, I'm installing this. That's a no-brainer. What's that called? Whoa, I think the motion's too high. Jeez. Let's try a way lower motion bucket on that. Curious if that works again. What were we doing though? Oh yeah, installing that thing. To the right. Manager, custom nodes, video matting. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This looks fun. Dream Project video batches. I get that too. Why not install every plugin known to man? What could happen? It's the worst that could happen. There we go. Nico's looking totally normal. His arms doing totally normal things. Everything's fine. I'm gonna restart Comfy after all that nonsense. Yeah, Toy XYZ has a webcam node. I think there's one in KJ nodes now. Someone else has one. Yeah, there's a bunch of them now. Cool. I have to play with that. So we got robust video matting now. So let's load a video. Video combine. 4. Okay, let's get a clip. From would be a cool clip. Let's do like I just want to practice matting. So, what would be a good clip to practice matting with? Literally any movie clip ever. That's annoying. I think my audio is messed up. One sec. Okay, I think it's back. Hopefully. Okay. I just want to download that. Oh, I don't have that installed. Of course not. I think I have a clip from The Matrix. Let me pull that up. Bear with me here. Sorry. I had to go through my old files to find it. Desktop. Downloads. So many files. MP4. That's more like it. I'm starting to think I might generate too much stuff. None of this is what it is supposed to be. Oh, then let's just grab some Pexels footage. What am I doing? Pexels. Video. We just want to try and pull somebody out. So let's try pull this guy out. Yep. Perfect. Downloads. Copy the path. All right. Drop it in here. Sure. Let's grab the first, I don't know, 240 frames. So it doesn't take forever. I don't think we need to force the size. Should be fine. Batch size should be. I'm going to guess the batch size. Does that just mean how many it does at once or how many it's going to do? Let's find out. Okay. That is really awesome and really fast. Holy cow. Okay. No frame load cap. I just want to know what the mask looks like. Nodes anymore by adding them? That sucks. All right. Oh, okay. Perfect. Well, that's a tiny workflow. Super handy. So you could take these both. Yeah. You could dream a new background. You could use this as QR code control net. Right on. Well, I don't think I'm gonna try and get that face detailing upscaling workflow to work for SVD because yeah, I don't know. I think it's just, a rabbit hole I don't feel like going down. We checked out the upscaler, which is really awesome. Again, that's on Banadoko. Just grab that right off their server. We checked out the SVD workflow. Didn't work for us. Just built one myself so we could play. Oh yeah, we just did the robust video matting. So yeah, we like this matte mask here. You could then just use this to let's save this as matting. Yeah, so like we have this now. So let's copy. Okay, sampler. I'm gonna speed run this. Oh, do this. Control net loader advanced. We're going to load in a QR code monster. Control net. Pass the conditioning through. Positive to positive. Thank you. All right. And then we need empty latent. Bump, bump. Latent goes into here. BAE goes into here. We go green and red. And now we have this, so we need to load a video path, turn our batch size into an input, plug frame count to batch size, and then load our video, which is right here. Path. We're just going to do the first, no, we're going to leave that at 0. The frame load cap will be 32. We just want to do 2 context windows to see what it looks like. Yeah, we're going to select every frame and we are going to render at 1024 by 576. 32 frames of animate diff through deliberate and NSFW nude in the negatives and I don't know, man dancing on our rooftop in New York City. Oh, trippy. We need to invert it, I think. Because I think it's only going to dream the background. Yeah. This is kind of cool, actually. I wonder if you put the person back in on top of this with like some flickery stuff, if you could make them look like a ghost. Yeah, I don't know about slowing it down. I think it's because it's the robust one, the fast one. Like maybe there's a better, more like slower rotoscoping tool. I don't know. More research is needed. Maybe interpolating the footage to slow it down and then running it through. That might help to get it like smoother. I think it's just probably just a problem with the way it's doing. There's probably a more deliberate method that takes. I mean, I definitely know there is because you can do it with segmentation as well. Segs. It's just a lot more confusing. But then you can make masks with the segmentations. And I wonder if you use the segmentation masks with the robust, if that's enough to bridge the gap. Because you get a nice little like latent blur around the edges and stuff. Yeah, well, we'll probably have to work on that a bit. What a lovely nightmare. Can't remember if the CFG goes down with LCM. I mean, yeah, you could generate dense pose as well, generate open pose. You could do a whole. Might be cool to have a control net workflow that just goes and like extracts everything from a clip and then just throws them in folders for you for that clip. And then when you that'd be a nice workflow to have in a tab actually. Just bang a depth map, a canny map, line art, just do all the control nets. All the hits. Yeah, LCM is very weird. I like this. It's cool. Yeah, you can play with the start and end percent and LCM, play with that. But yeah, that feels pretty good. Been at this for about 3 hours. The matting this matting thing is really awesome. Got a lot of ideas for this. Between the yeah, I think I want to make a little control net preprocessor for in here. Does this depth and canny line art, all the fixins. Throws them all into a folder, all named, ready to go. You can just use whatever you want when you're going to ADIF town. But yeah, thanks for everybody for hanging out. As always, if you like what we do here, you're into this stuff, come by the Discord and hang out. Join us as Purz.xyz. All the links are there. I got a Patreon. You can join it. You get access to a special channel on the Discord, and I'm around there if you need help with stuff. I'm usually around. People are around on the Discord too, so if you got problems, you got things you're working on, you want to show people, drop it in the WIPs and the AI animation channels. Don't be shy. We want to see it. Let's make some stuff. Let's hang out. I'll be back tomorrow with Tenzia. We're gonna make some stuff. Check out Tenzia, soundcloud.com, cloud.com/Tenzia Sounds. Check out his stuff. We're gonna play around with some stable diffusion stuff, fool around, have fun, all that stuff. Yeah, get our comfy on. Probably use some of his music, or I don't know. We'll see. Maybe he's got some loops we can mess with and get some creepy visuals going, or maybe we'll just make some cool stuff. He's a really talented artist, and he's got a lot of characters and stuff he's made, so we might be able to pick his brain with some of his workflows too, because he's done some really interesting stuff with Comfy as well. But yeah, we'll leave that up to a surprise, see if he wants to drop the knowledge or not. Have a great night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow, I think around 5 or 5:30 p.m. Eastern, so a couple hours before this. Yeah, have a great night, everybody. Stay comfy, have fun, and as always, thanks for hanging out.